This video will show you how to set up and use the Rode Wireless Go from the LSBU Kitroom. The Rode Wireless Go works with a transmitter and receiver. To tell the difference between the transmitter and receiver, the top of the transmitter has a mic attached to it, as well as a mic input port, as well as two indicators for battery and sync. The receiver has a DB button and a sync button on the bottom of the pack, and also has an LCD screen which the transmitter doesn't have. To power on the Rode Wireless Go, hold down the power button of the transmitter and the receiver for 3 seconds. You can connect the Rode Wireless Go to either a DSLR camera such as the Canon 70D or a phone or iPod. The 3.5 TRS cable is for recording audio onto the camera, and the 3.5 TRRS cable is for recording audio onto a phone. The easiest way to remember this is that the TRRS cable has a grey connection to it. Connect the TRS cable into the camera input audio slot and into the receiver, which will then be ready to use. You can then use the clip that is on the back of the receiver as a horseshoe mount, which can sit on top of the camera. Adjust audio settings as you normally would on that camera. For recording audio onto a phone or iPod, plug in the black end of the TRRS cable into the receiver and the grey end into the iPod. The transmitter already has a mic built into itself, which is the grey bit on the top, so you can pretty much use the clip on the back of the transmitter as a mic clip and clip the entire transmitter onto the subject. The Wireless Go kit also comes with wind jammers for the mic built into the transmitter, so you can use this if you're filming outdoors. Simply line up the hooks of the windjammer to the slot surrounding the mic and it should easily hook into place. To remove the windjammer, simply pinch it and then it should unhook. The Wireless Go comes with a lav mic which you can plug into the mic input of the transmitter. The lav mic has a windjammer already attached to it and also a mic clip which you can attach to the subject. The Rode Wireless Go is usually always connected when they are both switched on, so there's not really many settings you need to change. You'll see RX and TX displayed on the LCD menu. RX is an abbreviation for receiver and TX is an abbreviation for transmitter. You'll know if the packs are paired if you see these lights on. If you do find that the Rode Wireless Go has not been paired, simply pair them by holding the sync button on the bottom of the receiver until you see the TX display on the LCD of the receiver. If you find that the subject's voice is too loud or too quiet, you can adjust that by pressing the DB button, which is your gain control. Keep pressing the button until you find a suitable level of audio. For any inquiries, please contact us via email kitroom@lsbu.ac.uk.